Do you know why companies choose Shopify POS over Lightspeed? You can run your business without workarounds. Whether it's offering local pickup from multiple locations or transferring product information between retail and e-com, Lightspeed requires workarounds to stay up to date. Shopify syncs in real time so workflows for inventory, customers, and orders are streamlined. No patches or manual reconciling required. You can stay in control of inventory. On Lightspeed, online sales can only pull from a primary retail location. This means you could end up overselling at that location, even if other locations have available inventory. Shopify allows you to prioritize which locations should fulfill online orders first, or which should fulfill an order based on whichever location is closest. You get speedy workflows for returns. Click the link below if you're interested in getting Shopify POS. To accept returns of online purchases in store using Shopify, you simply find the original order in POS and process the refund. Inventory gets updated and shipping costs can be reimbursed. This process on Lightspeed requires toggling between your e-com account, retail account, and online payment provider. This also means whoever is performing the return must have a login and will have access to all of your e-com data, even if they are just processing a return. You can make changes to your plan at any time. Changes like increasing your product limit or adding staff require a conversation with sales when you're on Lightspeed versus Shopify POS, where you're in control of your business. You can upgrade, downgrade, or cancel at any time right from the Shopify admin. And if you need support, our team is here to help 24/7. You get powerful commerce features. Over 1 million businesses around the world choose Shopify to sell in store, on a website, on social media, and on online marketplaces. The platform is designed to balance ease of use with robust features, giving you all the tools you need to manage products, people, and payments as your business grows. Shopify also offers features that go beyond sales, from marketing and customer relationships to product sourcing and order fulfillment. Click the link below to get your questions answered about Shopify POS.